Welcome to the Partner Pulse. My name is David Moeller, and this is your daily dose of partner insights with some of Intellistack's favorite partners. You'll notice today that I am in person with Ryan from Centro. Ryan, this is usually a web show that we do remote, but we are sitting here having a drink at the Four Seasons.
End of September.
End of September. It's beautiful. The sun is up. There's people in the pool. People with the shirts off. I mean, goodness. You wouldn't think that Colorado this time of year, but Ryan, thanks for being here. This is great, man. Cheers.
Thanks for having me.
I think we're going to rebrand this episode of the Partner Pulse as the Partner Pint. Although you're having a cocktail, and I think I have a 12-ounce beer. It's good enough, right? So, Ryan, the format of the show is we're going to whip through 4 questions, get you out of here in like 3 minutes. Does that sound good to you?
Sounds good.
All right. So, for the people at home, just briefly give the elevator pitch on Centro and tell us what your role is there.
Yeah, so Centro, I'm the CEO and co-founder. Started this in year 2020 after coming off a stint at Conga for 4 years with the idea of integrating Salesforce and Slack. Turned into a bigger ecosystem play with Microsoft Teams. So we're a workplace chat plus Salesforce. And the use cases go from simple, where create a case in Teams or Slack, stitch that into Salesforce, or send approvals to those platforms to get them to move faster, and to even more complex things that users are working every day in workplace chat and need it back in their system of record, which is Salesforce.
Very good. So it sounds like you got a few irons in the fire there. You're working on some solid tech. Where does Intellistack fit into the partnership profile, or what is it, like a cool use case that we've worked on together?
Yeah, so we worked on our customer that Souls share, which is Inch Health.
Yep.
Inch Health was using Slack heavily, and they needed to send documents, so quotes from. So of course they were generating. They didn't have a doc-gen tool yet, so we introduced the doc-gen product called Form. And what they want to do is push that into Slack, get the right people to look it over, approve it, maybe even regenerate it based on some changes to the underlying data, and then save that back to Sage. So just that, put that use case together, and they love it. They like generating the document, getting it approved in Slack. Sometimes people live in Slack all day, but not Salesforce, so get their deal cycles faster. And nice little use case we got through that.
That's a really fun use case, and it sounds replicable, right? So if you're out there and you want to bring Slack back to Salesforce, come talk to Ryan and Dave. So I'll expand a little bit on that. We talked about a fun use case. Like, what really drives the partnership? Is it kind of the complementary tech, the shared experiences? Why do Centro and Intellistack work so well together?
I think the core business cases you all are putting together with a document generation, Sign, and CLM, those are just part of any go-to-market and quote-to-cash kind of process, and fitting that into workplace chat just makes a lot of sense. Yeah. So I love the partnership. You all are leaning forward, talk all the time about deals. Like you all say, you have our backs, and we have yours. So we're excited about it.
That's great. And you alluded to it a little bit, Ryan, but we're here live from the CLM Partner Day. We gathered some of our top partners in Denver today, Four Seasons, to really kind of drive enablement and training on our new CLM product, Intellistack Streamline CLM. Care to share like a favorite moment today, or how are you feeling leading this session?
Coming from building CLM products in former life, and see what you offer together in a modern era and with new AI technology, and taking some of the key lessons and pulling it together into one sort of unique experience that's really intuitive, a lot of clean workflows, and a lot of just core CLM processes that every customer would need when they go down a CLM Trojan. I loved it. I thought it was great. The yellow cover was very sharp and low factory plan, and it's all kind of in a really attractive bundle price. Like it comes together nicely. It's not overly aggressive, and I thought it was fantastic. So it's kudos.
Thank you. We put this together quickly, but I think we had a lot of fun. you don't often spend 7 hours in a conference or walk out feeling energized, but I feel like we're both ready to conquer the world. So thanks for stopping by the Partner Pint, Ryan. You're our premier guest.
Cheers.
The inaugural. Cheers, brother.
Thanks.
Thanks. And we'll see you next Tuesday for a brand new episode. Maybe it'll be live, maybe not. Keep you on your feet. See ya.